हाँ. A very good morning. Welcome to Revisions and also dear teacher. Today I am continuing the theorems in class 10. Okay. So I am doing revising. So many students are having some problems in theorems. So I am teaching reteaching theorems. Okay. So those who are having any doubts in this case, you can always ask. Yesterday I have explained the theorems of the triangle, and few more concepts are there. When I look at the previous papers, some questions were given which are not there in the textbook. So previously there were theorems, now they have removed it and they have reduced the syllabus, but those problems are coming in the examination. So first let us see the basic proportionality other aspects. The basic proportionality theorem, only not the theorem, the other things also. So basic proportionality theorem says say in a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to one side, this line divides other two sides in the same proportion. Okay. So that means if DE is parallel to BC, then BPT says that AD by BD is equal to AE by CA. This is what is a BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So corollaries are also there on this. Corollaries means the points which are based on the theorem, the extra points which are based on the theorem. Okay. So sometimes it may be given like this, reverse order में दे सकते हैं. So that means he may ask us to prove BD by AD is equal to CE by AE. That means reverse order. So don't get confused. First you do this and take the reciprocal for this. That's it. No need to get afraid of this. Okay. Only to confuse you, he may give, if DE is parallel to BC, he will give in the reverse order. BD by AD is equal to CE by AE. So you prove as it is. This first, this we are having proof and we are doing this as a proof. So you do that. Hence you can write this result. This is one aspect everybody should understand. The second aspect is AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. That means this part by whole side, AD by AB, and this part by the whole side, AE by AC. Even this is also coming under basic proportionality theorem only. So take basic proportionality theorem, add 1 on both sides, you will be getting this. Okay. So this I am going to prove it for you. One more thing, BD by AB, BD by AB is equal to C by AC. That means down part the whole side, C by the whole side. Even this is also a basic proportionality theorem. Whenever you need these two, without proving directly by saying the BPT, you can write this and you can assume this and you can apply this in any question. Okay? So that means don't think that only this is basic proportionality theorem. Even these three things are also coming under basic proportionality theorem. Okay? So these two things are corollaries. Corollaries means these are the points which are coming from the main theorem, not the converse. Converse is different. Corollaries are different. So now these two are corollaries. So then how to prove this? You take a main theorem AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. This is the basic proportionality theorem. This everybody knows. Okay. Now AD is there. Whenever AD is there, you can reverse it. Take the reciprocal and add 1 on both sides. Now I am not taking any reverse. I will directly add 1 on both sides. So if you add 1 on both sides, what happened? AD by BD plus 1 is equal to AE by CE plus 1. So now if you take LCM, BD will be the LCM. So AD plus BD is equal to AE plus CE by CE. So AD plus BD, if you add AD plus BD, nothing but AB by BD is equal to AE plus CE is nothing but AC CE. So if you take the reciprocal, what happened? BD by AB is equal to CE by AC. So this is the second one. BD by AB is equal to CE by AC. This is how it is to be proved. Now if you take this reciprocal and add 1 on both sides, यही लेना BPT you take the reciprocal and add 1 on both sides. So then what happened? You will get this. So I will just give you some logic in this, when to take. If AD is there, AD should be down. AD by AB, AE by AC are there. Then AD should be in the denominator side. Then you will get this answer. Okay? So this is how the corollaries are to be proved. I will prove this also. I will take this reciprocal. What is the reciprocal? BD by AD is equal to CE by A. This is the reciprocal of basic proportionality. Reciprocal of basic proportionality. So now add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. So then what happened? BD by AD plus 1 is equal to CE by AE plus 1. So then what happened? If you are taking this further steps, that means take LCM. So then what happened? BD plus AD by AD is equal to CE plus AE by AE. So BD plus AD is nothing but AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. So that implies AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. So this is the second one. So both are coming from Akriti Singh, wait for a minute, I will only give you the idea, right? Sample paper and everything I am going to give you if you stay for some more time, right? So even in one of my previous videos I have given how to take up the model papers, right? So this is a very, very important concept. Now few more concepts are there on the similar triangles, because they may be coming as a questions, right? I will be giving those questions now, and then I will be giving you these things. I have written some important points on these things which may come in the examination. Though these things are not there, but these are related to the concepts given in the curriculum. So don't expect each and every question is coming from the NCERT textbook, right? Definitely one or two questions definitely come from the outside, which are based on the concepts. So I will give you the concepts which are based, which I will give you some extra important points which are based on the syllabus. So this is not there, but these things are with the basic proportionality theorem. Okay. So now let me go to another concept of these two triangles. Similar triangles, huh? So the medians, right? So let me, if Akriti Singh, if you are there, then I will show you how to download a sample question paper and PYQs. If you say hi, then I will show. Otherwise, I will go with my topic. Okay. So very, very important concepts. Now let me take up a few more things. I have R.D. Sharma with me. I will take some examination questions based on the same concepts which are there in the syllabus. Now my sincere advice to all the students, if you are completely depending on PYQs, previous year questions, this year syllabus is changed. Okay, last year, this year, less syllabus is there. If you are going with 22, 21, 20, 18, some concepts which are not there in the syllabus. So unnecessarily you will be wasting some time. So be careful, first understand the syllabus, whatever is given in the NCERT textbook, new NCERT textbook. Okay, some NCERT textbooks are old. Old books are having old syllabus. So this year especially lot of syllabus is reduced. Okay, so accordingly you have to pick up the previous year questions. Definitely very help will be there when you take up previous year questions. Okay, but see the syllabus and take up only the previous year questions which are there in the syllabus. Okay, so 2025 papers you can easily take up. Again, I will just go to Chrome, a web browser, how to take up CBSE sample question papers. Okay, I have already explained sample question papers, and you can download from CBSE website. I will just give you how to. Now take Google, and in this write CBSE academics, CBSE space academics. Okay, so then what happened? You will be getting one like this, CBSE academic. CBSE academic part. Now click on this. You will be getting one site, and this is a CBSE site. It looks like this. So in this there are so many things. Okay, competitions are available. Everything is available. Pariksha Pe Charcha, structured and all CBSE related circulars, competitions, everything will be there. So many schools, they don't take up the competitions which are conducted by CBSE. So now if you just read all these things, sample question paper, it is there in this corner. If you click here, what happened? SQP, sample question paper. Sample question paper 2025, 26, 24, 25, 23, 24. So if you click like this, what happened? You will be getting again two options, class 12 and class 10. If you click on class 10, you will be getting class 10. So all these are sample question papers. So there are so many. Now find out whatever sample question paper you want. It's not only maths, you will get everything. You will get everything. So mathematics, there are basic and standard. Okay, basic and standard. Two question papers are there. Find out which thing you want. So suppose if you want a standard, SQP, this is a sample question paper. This is MS. MS means marking scheme. That means how CBSE will give the marks for each and every question. And this is also important. Accordingly, you can cope up with the, you can write the answers. So if you know the marking scheme, how the marking scheme will be there, then it is easy for you to write the answers accordingly. So now I'll put SQP, maths question paper. So this is the maths question paper, sample question paper given by CBSE for 2025-26. The present academic year is 2025-26, because you are going to write the examinations in 26 March. Okay. So these are the questions, 38 questions, all these instructions, you can go through it. You can go through it. And section A consists of 20 questions, 1 mark each. You can just see how the question paper is there. So this is first one, multiple choice questions. All these questions I already have revised it. Okay. So this is the question paper. You can go through it, you can download it, you can print it, you can share it, because this is the government property, government gave this. So all institutions, schools, tutorials, coaching centers, everybody, they depend on this only. Even the latest publications, they will prepare sample questions, 20 sample questions, like that. They use this as a main basic, and then accordingly they will do it. Okay. So at the same time, I will go to one more thing. Okay. So I will open a marking scheme also. You just go through the marking scheme and how it will be there. So marking scheme is given, question number 1, directly, because all MCQs, they see only the answer and they will give. So here answer is 3. You don't need to write this entire thing. These things should be in the mind. So इसके लिए कुछ आपको उतना फर्क नहीं है, because all the answers are given in this. So we will go with the 21st problem onwards, because till 20th all are MCQ questions till 20th. 21st onwards, section B, that means small short answer questions. So if you just see here, half mark, 1 mark. So this is how the CBSE awards the mark. If you write this data, half mark. If you execute the data in the formula, half mark. And if you write the conclusion and everything, you will be getting 1 mark. So how 2 marks is divided for your answer, it is given. So it is very, very important to look at the answer scheme. Okay, so here you just see it is a 2 marks question. How 2 marks are divided? For this step 1 mark and for this step 1 mark. So how this 23rd question is divided? So for writing this basic proportional similarity, and it is given half mark. Okay, so like this, it's very, very important when you go through the marking scheme. So many students, they neglect marking scheme, but marking scheme will guide you how to write the proper answer to get full marks for each question. Okay, so I hope you got it. Now then, how to go to previous year question papers. Previous year question papers. You completely write previous year CBSE previous year question papers, then definitely it will take you to so not only maths and physics, maths and basic and standard, social science is there. Okay, if you are coming down, you will have science also, social science and English, language, literature and communication. When you are downloading English, first know your English paper. There are 2 papers, language and literature and communicative. Some schools are following communicative, some schools are following language and literature. So be careful when you are downloading your thing. Okay. So now all subjects papers are there. If you are a Telugu person, Telugu also is there. Telugu AP, Telugu Telangana. Okay. All these papers are there. So this is about question papers. If you want to know the syllabus, knowing syllabus is also very, very important. So where the syllabus will be there? Okay. Curriculum. If you coming under the curriculum, in the curriculum you will be finding a syllabus. So curriculum 2025-26. If you click on this, you will be getting for 9th and 10th and 11th and 12th. Because 9th, 10th is a one package. So if you click on this secondary curriculum, initial pages you don't need, main subjects, languages. If you want English or your own language, you can go in this. If you want maths, science, social studies, you can come on this. Okay, in this maths, science, social studies, etc. Reading materials also is given. Okay, reading materials are also given in this. So maths, if you click on maths, what happened? You will be opening one thing will be opening. In this, how maths syllabus is divided, how maths paper is set, everything is given. Okay, for 9th and 10th. You just see this is 9th class. I will go to the 10th class because you are in 10th class now. So how the entire syllabus will be given in this. Now 10th class will come. Maths question paper design. Question paper design also is given by CBSE. Okay. Question paper given, how the questions, what questions will come for MCQs, etc., etc. All these things in detail it is given this. So okay. Now 10th class. 10th class course structure. You just see here number systems 0, 6 marks. 6 marks will be there in number systems at any class. CBSE will follow. Okay, algebra 20 marks. So you should know algebra chapters. right? Polynomials, quadratic equations, arithmetic progressions, all those things will come under algebra. Altogether, there are 20 marks. Only coordinate geometry, 6 marks. That means only one chapter, 6 marks will be there. Geometry, 15 marks. So you just see here 80 marks. Huh? This is only subject to division, not the objective. MCQs are not given. So it will increase. So coordinate geometry, only one chapter, 6 marks. Geometry, 2 chapters, 15 marks. Trigonometry, again 2 chapters, 12 marks. Mensuration, only one chapter, 10. Statistics and probability, 11. You just see accordingly you can plan your revision. How many marks you want, you decide first, whether you are in a very weak position or you are in a strong position, you check it out. Accordingly you can plan your revision. I hope you got this. So in the same way, if you just go through it, explanations are also given. So they won't cross these guidelines. These are the guidelines given to all the schools, publications, everywhere. So everybody will be using the same guidelines. And accordingly, teachers will set the paper and will give you the things. Akshu 2678, good morning. Right. So now this is the, I told you, this is the thing. Go to home. I will give you some extra questions. Practice questions are also given. You just see in this question bank is there. In this question bank, some extra questions were given. See 10th class. Additional practice questions. Okay, 10th class. English, only 3 subjects they have given extra questions. So this is the question bank given by CBSE. So if you just see case study questions, mostly they come from this only. It's coming clear only. Coming clear. In my mobile it's clear only, but you just take the gist. So if you go to this question bank area, in this chapter wise case study questions are given. These are the real numbers case study questions. So usually questions will come from this only. Okay, case study questions. All the chapter wise case study questions are given in this. Answers are also given. Case study 2, okay, and if you just use this material, that is more than enough. So if you are going to a private publications, guides and everything, they will put so many things on you. So it will be very, very. So case study 3, all these things, set chapter number 1. So there are 50 pages. Okay, now polynomials case study. So like this, if you are going with this, again I will just give you, this is the CBSE academics.nike.in. In this, if you are going in this question paper, if you are going in this sample question paper, if you are opening curriculum, you will be getting the syllabus and okay, some handbooks, media gallery, all these things are not at all needed. Okay, because you have to prepare in the examination point of view. So this is enough for you. Okay, so I hope today I will pack up. Now it is 6:40. Those who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. So if you are asking me a question in advance, so that I can plan your doubt clearings tomorrow. So tomorrow, same time 6 o'clock. See you. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you share, if you like it, like my video, subscribe, share my videos to your friends. Okay, bye bye. See you. All the best. Take care. Akshu, I am going to teach trigonometry also. Let me complete these things. After completing my theorems, I am coming to definitely I am coming to trigonometry. I wanted to teach completely trigonometry. I will take up again the trigonometry. Already I taught 2 times. I am going to teach one more time trigonometry. Okay. So, if you are having any doubts, you can put me in the comment box, so that I can explain those things in your next class. So, Yuvraj, screen is not clear, but from my side in my mobile the screen is clear only. So, what can I do? Okay. So, this is what I wanted to teach. If any, I am looking at your comments, whoever is giving comments, I am just reading your comments. So, if you are having any doubts, I can explain right now. Any problems, your study problems, revision problems, anything, if you are having, you can definitely write in the comment box, so that accordingly I'll wait for a minute. If I see any comment from you, then I can explain you. Otherwise, I'll take leave for today. I think today in the active participants, Yuvraj and Akshu 2678. Okay. So, I am not getting any comments. So, wish you all the best. Take care. Don't waste your time. Focus on your revision and focus on your school board examinations, school pre-board examinations, cycle tests, etc., etc. See you. Bye-bye. If you are not a subscriber, I request you again, please subscribe my channel and share my channel. Thank you.